Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 7 of ASP .NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the custom middleware in ASP .NET Core. This is continuation to part 6, ASP .NET Core middleware, so please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. Let's get back to Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working with. And to create a custom middleware, first we need to create a class. So right click on the project, add, and then click on class. And let's name it custom middleware. Okay. So before implementing this class, let's see the implementation guidelines from Microsoft. And here is the page from Microsoft. And you can see the middleware class must include a public constructor with a parameter of type request delegate. So let's implement this point first. So let's create a constructor CTOR tab, and this constructor will have a parameter of type request delegate. Let's name it next. Let's create a private variable of type request delegate. So let's type private read-only request delegate, and let's name it underscore next semicolon, and let's assign this local variable with the request delegate which has been passed to this constructor. So underscore next is equal to next. So our first point is completed. All right, so let's see what the next guidelines from Microsoft is. So the next point is we need to implement a public method, and its name should be either invoke or invoke async. And this method must return a task. So its return type will be task. And this method accept a first parameter of type HTTP context. So these two are the mandatory things which we need to do, that the method name will be invoke or invoke async. Its return type will be a task, and the first parameter will be HTTP context. So let's implement this. Okay, so let's say public async, and as suggested, the return type will be a task, and the method name will be invoke, bracket open, and the first parameter will be of type HTTP context. Let's name it HTTP context, bracket close, curly braces open, curly braces close. Now we get the HTTP context object, so it's up to us how we would like to play with it. So let's say we only wanted to print a message. So await HTTP context dot response dot write async, and let's say we wanted to print it as called from custom middleware. That's it. So our middleware is ready, and to use this middleware we need to get back to the startup.cs class and within configure method. So let's write app.use middleware. Let's mouse over use middleware, and you can see that this is also an extension method which accept a type of a custom middleware, T middleware. So let's give its type, and the type will be custom middleware, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. So let's run this program, and as expected that it print called from custom middleware, but the only problem is that there are other delegates in the pipeline, like this one, use 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, all these. So ideally they should also be printed, but they haven't. It's simply because we haven't used the next delegate. So let's use it within custom middleware. So await underscore next, bracket open, and within this next delegate we need to pass the HTTP context object, because this HTTP context object will be used by delegates which are in the pipeline. All right, so let's run this program once again. And now you can see that all the delegates, all the middlewares have been executed. So that's it from this tutorial. We successfully created our custom middleware. If you have any query, please do ask me on comment. And till then, thanks for watching.